Hello all, welcome to Atmic Yoga. This is Ranjani, a certified yoga teacher, pregnancy yoga trainer and a meditation coach from Atmic Yoga. Today we are going to discuss the Pawanmuktasana Series Part 1 Anti-Rheumatic Group. This group of asanas is concerned with loosening up the joints of the body. It is one of the best asana sequence for people suffering with arthritis, rheumatism, high blood pressure and heart problem where rigorous physical exercises are ruled out. It is specifically used to eliminate the energy blockages in our joints and improving our coordination, self-confidence and self-awareness. So without wasting any time, let's get on to our mat. So our first position is our base position. So sit comfortably with the legs straight. The legs should not be touching each other but close enough. Keep your spine straight, the hands supported behind your back. Keep your neck comfortable. Close your eyes and keep your awareness on your body. Stay here for a while. This is the base position that we use for all our asana sequence. So from Prarambhik Sthiti, the base position, we are going to do the first asana, that is the Padanguli Naman, toe bending. So sit comfortably in the base position. Focus on your toes. Try to move your toes outwards. Just move the toes and inwards. Hold in each pose for few seconds and repeat it for 10 times. Inhale as you move your toes away from your body and exhale as you move your toes closer to your body. Try to move all the toes, engage all your toe muscles. All the remaining other body parts should be relaxed and the entire awareness should be on the stretch that is provided by this toe bending. And the second asana is Gulf Naman. Same way, sit comfortably with your spine erect, supported by your hands. Try to push the entire feet outwards, bending from your ankle and bend it closer to your body. Inhale as you push your feet outwards and exhale as you bring it closer to your body. Repeat it 10 times. Third one is Gul Chakra. There are 3 stages in this. I am going to choose the stage 2 which is comfortable for majority of the people. So with your base position, try to start rotating your ankles clockwise 5 times and anti-clockwise 5 times. Every time the feet goes away from your body, try to inhale, and every time the feet comes closer to your body, try to exhale. And the fourth one is Gulf Kurnan. Try to bend one leg and place it over the other near your groin area. Make sure your feet is staying away from your thighs so that you can rotate your ankle. Now hold your left leg with your left hand and with your right hand, try to hold this foot and start making clockwise circles supported with your hand. Do this 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise. And remember to do this on the opposite leg also. And the fifth one is Janu Palak Akashan. Sit in the base position. This one we cannot see much, but try to contract the muscles around your knee in the base position and inhale as you contract. Hold it for few seconds. Just try to contract and hold for few seconds and release. Just bring a complete awareness on the muscles around this knee. Try to contract, squeeze it tight, hold it for few seconds and release. Do it for 10 rounds on each leg. Try to contract, hold and exhale as you release. This is the fifth one. And the sixth one is Janu Naman. For this, try to bend one leg. I am using my right leg. Interlock your fingers underneath your right thigh. Hold it tight. Sit straight with your spine straight, neck straight, head straight. Now Try to lift the leg slightly above the ground. Now straighten your hands, extend the leg, hold it for a while and bend it back. Again repeat. Inhale as you stretch the leg, exhale as you bend the leg. Repeat it for 10 times on each leg. Try to do the same on the other leg too. And the next one is Janu Chakra. Same position like our previous asana. Try to hold your leg and lift it a little bit away from the floor. Now just try to rotate this part of the leg in circular motion. Try not to move the other parts of the body. Try to make complete circle and clockwise, 5 rounds or 10 rounds, and anti-clockwise 5 rounds or 10 rounds. Try to inhale as your leg moves up and try to exhale as your leg moves down. Repeat it on the other leg too. You can also get a copy of my book, Yogic Secrets of Eating. WhatsApp us in the given number below to grab your copy. And the next one is called the Ardha Titali Asana. So try to bend your right leg. Place it near the groin area of your left leg. Now hold your right foot with your left hand. Try to lock it and use your right hand to move your knee up and down. As you inhale, try to bring closer to the chest, and as you exhale, try to pull it closer to the ground. Try to move for 10 rounds and repeat it on the other side too. And make sure your feet is engaged while you are doing this. And the next asana is
Shroni Chakra.
From the same Ardha Titali position, try to make circle with your knee. Clockwise 3 rounds and anti-clockwise 3 rounds. Focusing on your prana, on your breath and focusing on the muscles while you are doing this asanas helps in releasing the energy blockages that happens in the major joints of the body. Shroni Chakra. And the next asana is Purna Titali Asana, which is also known as the butterfly pose. So bring the soles of the feet together, hold your toes, try to sit straight and flap your legs up and down. One can do this up to 30 times up and down and keep breathing. And relax. And let's do the next one. For this, you can sit in the base position or you can sit in cross leg. Extend your arms in front of you at shoulder level. Try to wide open your fingers, palms faces down. Try to close and make a fist so that the thumb goes inside and all the other fingers wraps around it. Try to close tightly and open completely. Try to do this 10 times and relax. And the next one is Vani Bandha Naman. Extend the hands in the same way. Keep your fingers close to each other. Try to inhale and push the hands up and exhale, bend from the wrist and push it down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep all the fingers closer, sit straight and focus on the movement. And the next one is Vani Bandhana Chakra. So make a fist, extend it outwards and try to rotate your wrists in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions, 10 rounds each. And the next one, sit in cross leg, extend your hands in front of you, palms faces the ceiling. Inhale, try to bend your elbow and touch the shoulder tips with your fingers. Exhale, extend. Inhale, touch. Exhale, extend. Do it 10 times. So the next one, sit in the cross leg, extend one hand, try to touch your shoulder. The other hand should be supporting at the bottom and try to make circles with your elbow. Clockwise 10 rounds and anti-clockwise 10 rounds. Repeat it with the other hand too. And for the next asana, try to keep your hands like this making the fingers in Samana Mudra and trying to touch on your shoulder blades. Now make circles so that your arms are making complete circles working on your shoulder joints. 10 rounds clockwise and 10 rounds anti-clockwise. And the final one is for the neck. So sit comfortably and try to inhale, turn towards the right, exhale to the center, inhale to the left, exhale to the center. Repeat it 10 times. Same way, look up and down, inhale up, exhale down. Repeat it 10 times. Make sure your spine is straight throughout the practice. And two other neck exercises are there, which is neck circles, which are contraindicated few people, so I'm not adding that in this sequence. So this completes the end of the Pawanmuktasana Series 1 Anti-Rheumatic group. Do practice this and loosen up your joints to free yourself from pain and suffering. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. If you like our content, consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever we post the next video. You can also follow us in our Instagram and Facebook pages by clicking in the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. Nandri, Vanakkam.